Imagine a chatbot that runs completely offline, streams responses like ChatGPT, remembers every conversation even after a crash or restart, and can answer questions from documents you upload, all without sending your data to the cloud. That's exactly what I built. And today I will walk you through the working session. Hi everyone, this is Prashant. Welcome to a quick product showcase of my stateful AI chatbot application. This is tool enabled, retrieval augmented, crash resilient chatbot powered by Olama's local Llama 3.1 model, semantic search using FIRE's embeddings, persistent conversation memory using LangGraph plus SQLite, and live streaming using Streamlit. The goal here is simple. I would like to show you the working build, its features, and how it behaves in real conversations. Feature callouts. This app currently supports fully offline LLM inferences. What does that mean? No conversation data leaves this machine. Streaming responses, tokens render progressively, not all at once. Crash resilient. Conversations are checkpointed into SQLite, so even if the app or server restarts, the bot still remembers. Multiple named chat sessions. Just like ChatGPT, each session gets a smart title. Isn't it interesting? Built-in tools, DuckDuck Search Go, Calculator, Weather Lookup, Stock Price Lookup, and most importantly, rack support. You can upload a PDF and ask anything about it, and the bot retrieves the right context using the vector embeddings and answers accurately. Let me quickly walk you through the UI. On the left, we have a sidebar that holds all the previous conversations by name. This is stored in SQLite, so titles persist permanently. I can start a new chat anytime. Each chat gets its own unique ID under the hood and all messages get checkpointed. But we do not show the unique ID here. Rather, there will be a smart title that gets displayed under my conversations. This is a fresh session, nothing in the sidebar until we give it a real prompt. This is exactly or an analogous to the chat GPT behavior. Now watch this. Let's start with a conversation. So I'd say exam essay on how to cook biryani in 100 words. So it goes to the DuckDuck Search Go, brings up some fancy essay, maybe not essay, some 100 words on how to cook a biryani. And when you click on a new chat, you would see that the previous conversation, it got a smart title. It's about cooking perfect biryani, and a new chat session got started. Now within this new chat session, maybe I'll have discussion about something else. Maybe I'll say, tell me about this. Again, it's using this DuckDuck search and it tells what exactly it is. I'll again start another conversation, maybe a new chat, and you can see here it's Sachin's Cricket Excellence. So it basically, like, based on the prompt, it gives some smart title to this. Another smart question. Here we go. And this time it says Rohan. All right. Now comes, let's see how the app survives the restart. Right. So I'm going to crash the app, and you can quickly see the app is crashed. I'm going to bring up the app now. And you can see all our conversations here. Go back here. You have that entire conversation. This is about specific to the cricket. And this is this one. Now you can ask him, what is my name? It quickly says, hello, Rohan. Right? Okay. Now we haven't seen, like, so far, like we have been seeing only one tool, which is like DuckDuck Search. Let's also get introduced to some other tools. Like you have a calculator tool, we have an weather tool, you have an stock price tool, right? So let's explore them. Now I'm going to start a new session, new chat, and I'm saying, what is the product of 56 and 2? So it's using a calculator, and it came out the product of 56 and 2 is this. Now let me make it a little more conversational, right? So I'll say, if I buy 2 dozen eggs and each costs 5 rupees, how much money I have to pay to the shopkeeper? So it's again going to the calculator tool, and it does some math, and it comes back that this is what you'll have to pay through. Okay. Next, I will say, like, maybe I'll make it a little more conversational here again. I'll say 200 rupees. So he says that you'll have to get back the 140. Okay. Now enough of the calculator tool. Now let's come back with some weather tool experiment. What is the weather of capital? Oh, sorry. What is the weather in capital of Telangana? So it went to the get weather tool, and that's it. Now let's quickly see another tool, which is what is the stock price of Tesla, and add 100 to it. So behind the scenes, it you did not get that window, but it quickly went to the stock price calculator, and then it also did this computation. So it's 459, and it has added 10, and it made it 559. Right? Okay. So we have seen the crash recovery, like how it is able to persist the chat conversations even after a crash, right? And we have also gone through like how showcase the different tools. Now let's demonstrate the RAG. So I'll quickly do a new chat again here. This time I'm going to upload a PDF. Maybe I'm just going to say a PDF here. So while this PDF gets uploaded, so this PDF basically has some, maybe I'll just ask some questions based on this chapter number 6. So chapter number 6 talks about oops, decorators and iterators, right? So let's quickly ask a question based on this, and let's see if it is able to answer this accurately based on this. So it's using the rack tool, and you can say that inheritance, it's calling concepts of oop, decorators and iterators. Bang. So that was a quick product showcase of this offline AI chatbot, which has stateful multi-session memory, real-time streaming UI, integrated utility tools, and document-grounded answers using RAG. The entire system runs locally using Olama and persists conversations in SQLite. So you can always resume chats exactly where you left off. If you found this interesting, feel free to explore the repo. I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching. This is Prashant signing off.